With 1 billion active monthly users and a growth rate faster than any other social media platform, plus the huge opportunity of only 36% of marketers using it, compare that to say Facebook at 93%, don't you think that it's time to learn how to really start leveraging the power of Instagram? Well, hey, this is Leah Rae from toddandleahrae.com, and today I'm going to teach you the 7 critical steps for success for using Instagram for affiliate marketing to make sales. Instagram is going to be around for a long time and is becoming a massive force in the marketplace, so stick around and learn how you can get ahead of the curve. Instagram is a hugely valuable platform that marketers can use to build brand awareness, grow an audience, drive traffic, generate leads, and make sales, all without having to pay for ads. So let's dive into the critical success tips for rocking Instagram with affiliate marketing. Now, we're going to be focusing on affiliate marketing today because honestly, it's one of our favorite online business models, but the same principles can be applied to any type of online business that you're looking to build. Now, just a quick note as we jump into these steps is that this is the very first video in a whole series that we're going to be doing about Instagram marketing. So make sure to click the subscribe button and hit the little bell for notifications so you can benefit from the entire series. Now, tip number 7, less is more. You don't have to post a ton on Instagram to be effective. Unlike Twitter, where you'll want to post several times a day, you are totally fine simply posting once a day on Instagram. The very top brands on Instagram post an average of 5 posts per week. So instead of trying to pump out a bunch of posts, focus more on quality instead of quantity and provide really high quality content for your audience. Number 6, engage with your audience. Engagement is huge on Instagram. Instagram is the king social media platform for engagement. It's what makes it so special. It has the highest engagement rates by far over every other social media platform. Take time to reply to every comment, and especially if you are new, reciprocate engagement with your followers. So if someone follows you, follow them back. If they like something of yours, like one of their posts back, and the same for comments. The higher engagement you get, the more people Instagram will show your content to, and the bigger brand awareness you'll have, the more traffic you can drive, the more leads you can generate, and the more sales you can make. Number 5, get to 10,000 followers as quickly as possible, because then you unlock the swipe up feature in stories. This allows you to drive traffic to any website that you want. So you can use stories for flash sales to your website. You can use it for promoting webinars, for driving traffic to blog posts, videos, landing pages, sales funnels, you name it. So get to 10,000 followers as soon as possible so you can unlock this feature. It's really important because other than this swipe up feature, your website link in your bio is the only other place that you can publish an active link on Instagram. The links in picture captions that you see sometimes people try to do, they don't work. So this is really important. Number 4, lead with value, not just pitching. Now, it's interesting, 30% of Instagram users have purchased a product that they first discovered on Instagram, but they are honestly not there to shop, and you need to lead with value with your audience and respect that. You want to inspire, educate, or entertain your audience 80% of the time, so that when you finally do promote, say the other 20% of the time, you've built up some of that know, like, and trust factor with your people, and they're more willing to take the next step with you. But also because you'll get some great engagement on those value-based posts. So Instagram will be showing all of your posts to more people, including the 20% that are promotional. Number 3, consistency is key. The type of content that you are providing needs to be consistent with your offer and with whatever info you have provided in your bio and whatever link you're trying to drive people to. I see people get this wrong all the time. They are posting about, say, health and wellness, but the link they are trying to drive people to is about making money from home or something completely inconsistent with what the rest of what they're doing. So be consistent. Number 2, your bio is gold. Your bio should be easy to quickly read, and it should tell people exactly what they are going to get by following you. When people check out your profile, they will make up their mind if they're going to follow you or not in just a couple seconds. So keep it super simple, and remember that people really honestly don't care much about you, but they care about themselves. So speak to them and what they will be getting from following your account. Now, before we go into number one, which is specifically going to help you drive more traffic, generate more leads, and make more sales, I want to let you know about a free Instagram training to teach you all of the ins and outs of Instagram marketing and to give you specific examples of exactly what to post and how to grow a very targeted audience quickly. So as this video ends, make sure to click the link at the top of the description to get registered for this awesome training. Now, finally, number one, you need to tell people the specific benefit that they will get for clicking on the link you have in your bio. Tell them to actually click the link to get X. X being whatever benefit your link offers them. So many people miss this mark completely. Most don't have a call to action at all. They don't actually tell people to click their link. And even if they do tell people to click their link, they don't give them a good reason to do so. Remember, people really only care about themselves. So tell them what benefit they will get when they click on that link. Now, if you follow each of these 7 steps, you can harness the power of Instagram to build brand awareness, to generate traffic, generate leads, and to make sales. Which of these 7 steps do you personally find most helpful? Any other tips that you would add to this list? Comment below and let me know. Again, this is Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com, and I'll see you soon.